So I'm replacing the old dash radio in the Honda Civic, which is model number that, with a new one. It was 25 bucks, but I needed, it has a USB input. It's called XD Vision, but when I popped off the back of the thing, I couldn't find a correct wiring diagram. I ended up finding a 2001 wiring diagram. I'll put it in the link of this video. But the ultimate wiring was that right there. Now I just need to do, where did I put it? Oh, it's inside. So here's the wiring harness that came with the new one. So now I just need to line up the wires. Got some heat shrink I'm going to put on it. See how it works. Alright, so all of them are now wired together, and there's a heat shrink on all of them, so they should never come off. Hopefully they're alright. Alright, I got it in, and it works.
Hush your mouth. Silence when I spit it out.
It has Bluetooth auxiliary in, not using. Bluetooth will connect with my phone. It works great. And then there's the radio.
Y'all do it. Stop a lead.
Some crap.
Nice that we traveled.
Doesn't go in very good. It's missing buttons. Connectors on the back here are missing.